Today's defense highlights. Congo eyes India's Tejas Mark 1A jet to replace aging Su-35 and MiG-23 fleet. India's 155 mm 52 caliber ATAGS guns prove their mettle in Armenian trials, paving way for larger order of 84. Morocco may acquire 400 extra units of Tata WhAP to fully replace older French-supplied WhAP IFV and AML 9060 vehicles. DRDO develops solar energy technology to keep soldiers' shelters warm during winters in Ladakh sector. Safran, frontrunner to power fifth-generation fighter AMCA, expands India's operations. In the global highlights, Saudi Arabia to acquire Turkey's fifth-generation KAAN fighter jet. Lockheed Martin develops advanced EW capabilities for U.S. Army's Apache helicopters. Ukraine launches a plan to utilize unexploded munitions to meet its explosive needs. Lockheed Martin's Sikorsky gets funding by DARPA to turn Black Hawk into drone. Thailand's TDI secures major deal with Pakistan for first win 4x4 armored vehicles. The news in detail. The Democratic Republic of Congo is looking to bolster its air force capabilities amidst rising regional tensions and a push for military modernization. The DRC Air Force (FAC) has set its sight on India's Tejas Mark 1A multi-role fighter jet as a potential replacement for its aging fleet of Soviet-era Sukhoi Su-25s and MiG-23s. The discussions also include potential training, maintenance support, and technology transfer opportunities. Armenian army has successfully concluded trials of the advanced towed artillery gun system ATAGS 155 mm 52 caliber towed guns procured from India in 2023. This positive outcome paves the way for a significant boost to Armenia's defense capabilities with a larger order of 84 more ATAG guns. The initial batch of 6 ATAGS guns underwent rigorous testing in various locations across Armenia. These trials were crucial to assess the gun's performance in diverse operational environments and under prolonged use in Armenian conditions. The guns were specifically modified to meet the Armenian army's requirements, including programming the trajectory computation model in the Armenian language. Sources within the Armenian army confirmed that the ATAGS gun successfully cleared all operational tests. Morocco has signed a landmark agreement with Tata Motors for the production of the wheeled armored platform WhAP 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle. This deal will see the establishment of a Tata Motors manufacturing facility in Morocco. Initially, the Royal Moroccan Armed Forces will acquire 150 WhAP IFVs with plans to procure an additional 400 units in the future. These advanced vehicles will replace the aging French-supplied WhAP IFVs and AML 9060 armored cars currently in service. The WhAP is expected to provide a significant upgrade in firepower, mobility, and protection of Moroccan troops. The first 150 WhAPs will be deployed to support the Moroccan military's Abrams tank units, providing crucial combat support roles such as troop transport, reconnaissance, and fire support. The Defense Institute of High Altitude Research, DIHAR, a Leh-based laboratory of DRDO, has developed a groundbreaking solar thermal technology to provide heating for soldiers stationed in the challenging high-altitude environment of Ladakh. This innovation comes as a crucial solution for troops facing extreme winter conditions with temperatures often plummeting to -40 degrees Celsius. Traditionally, the Indian Army has relied on fossil fuels like diesel generators and traditional Bukhari for heating. However, these methods pose logistical challenges due to transportation facilities and fuel shortage in the remote region. Recognizing the need for a sustainable and efficient alternative, Bihar has harnessed Ladakh's abundant solar energy to create a system capable of maintaining comfortable living conditions for soldiers even in the harshest winters. The solar thermal energy based technology for space heating in high altitude system utilizes evacuated tube collector technology. These collectors contain copper pipes filled with a special antifreeze fluid that captures solar radiation and transfers the heat to a storage tank. This stored thermal energy is then used to heat shelters throughout the night, ensuring a consistent and comfortable temperature for the soldiers. The system has an efficiency of 40% and a pilot plant is being made for the Army unit at Hanle. Ladakh's unique geographical conditions make it an ideal location for solar power generation. With over 300 cloud-free days and high solar irradiance, the region receives an abundant amount of solar energy. The Dihar system capitalizes on this, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution to the challenges of heating in high-altitude regions. A pilot project has already been implemented in an existing shelter. Results show that the system can maintain an average temperature of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius inside the shelter even when the outside temperature drops to minus 19 degrees Celsius. While the initial cost of the pilot project is 60 lakh rupees, Dihar emphasizes the long-term cost benefits and sustainability of the system. With an expected lifespan of 15 to 20 years and a no fuel cost, the investment is projected to pay for itself in less than 3 years. This technology represents a significant step towards ensuring the well-being of Indian soldiers deployed in challenging environments while promoting the use of renewable energy sources. Safran Data Systems, a subsidiary of Safran, has opened a new office in Chennai. The facility would be a hub for design and development and address the surge in demand within the sector. It added that the strategic expansion would also allow Safran to tap into Chennai's pool of engineering capabilities. France and India have been in talks for collaboration on AMCA engines since last year. Safran is a frontrunner and is in competition with UK's Rolls-Royce and the American GE. Currently, discussions are ongoing between Safran and Aeronautical Development Agency and GTRE to determine specifications. The engine program is part of the Horizon 2047 document for the India-France Strategic Partnership. Last October, Safran and HAL also signed a memorandum of understanding announcing their intent to develop industrial cooperation in forging parts manufacturing for commercial engines. Saudi Arabia is interested in acquiring over 100 KAAN fighter jets, a fifth generation fighter aircraft developed by Turkey under its TFX program. The potential collaboration could include technology transfers and support for local production. Turkey and Saudi Arabia have recently strengthened their defense ties, marking a significant shift in their bilateral relations. Let's have a look at some of the unique features of KAAN. The KAAN fighter jet is poised to redefine aerial combat with its unique blend of advanced technologies focused on invisibility, life support, and explosion preventive systems. It is designed for superior air dominance. It features enhanced air-to-air combat range, enabling new weaponry capabilities and precise strikes at supersonic speeds. Its high-performance avionics system is augmented with cutting-edge software and hardware, ensuring unparalleled mission effectiveness. Lockheed Martin has been awarded a contract from the U.S. Army's Apache Helicopter Program Office to develop the third-generation radar frequency interferometer and radar warning receiver system known as the APR-48B for the Apache helicopter fleet. The AH-64 Apache is a twin-engine, four-blade attack helicopter valued for its advanced weaponry and reinforced defense capabilities. Initially developed by Hughes Helicopters in 1975 and now manufactured by Boeing, the Apache was designed to replace the AH-1 Cobra in the U.S. Army. It entered service in the 1980s with more than 600 Apache longbow units acquired by the U.S. Army through multi-year contracts. The latest model, the AH-64D Apache Block 3, introduced in 2011, includes upgrades such as enhanced digital communication, improved engines, and the ability to control unmanned aerial vehicles. The Ukrainian government approved a plan to process unexploded munitions directly at demining sites, addressing the approximately 20% of munitions in conflict zones that failed to detonate. This new approach aims not only to safely neutralize these dangerous remnants, but also to convert them into valuable resources for Ukraine's defense industry. Since the conflict began, Ukraine experts have developed methods to recover explosives from undetonated Russian munitions, such as downed cruise missiles and unexploded aerial bombs. For instance, the frequently encountered Fab 500 M62 bomb contains 213 kilograms of TGAF-5, an explosive with TNT equivalents of 300 kilograms. This resource has proven valuable as engineering units repurpose these materials to manufacture devices for military operations. Ukraine has also engaged private manufacturers to produce cold munitions that require only filling with explosives. This approach enables rapid large-scale production while circumventing certain legal restrictions. Notably, the engineering division of the 414th Regiment, known as Pitaki Madhyara, has recently manufactured replicas of PTM-3 anti-tank mines. These locally produced mines complete with cast casings and explosive charges facilitate swift deployment against adversary. Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, will convert a United States Army UH-60M Black Hawk into a drone. The company received a $6 million award from the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency DARPA to install the company's Alias Matrix flight autonomy system onto the helicopter, essentially converting it into a drone. According to Sikorsky, the upgraded aircraft, which is designated MX, will enable the U.S. Army Combat Capabilities Development Command to test and evaluate a wide range of autonomy capabilities from single pilot operations to fully uninhabited flight. The Thai defense industry, a joint venture between Thailand's Defense Technology Institute and Chaesiri, has finalized an agreement to supply 100 first-twin FW 4x4 wheeled armored vehicles to Pakistan. This deal also includes the transfer of production technology to Pakistan's heavy industries Taxila, based in Punjab. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.